Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix GPS not working on iPhone, location service and Google Map not working on iPhone in iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn on location service. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap location service, turn on location service. Solution number 2. Check screen time setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap screen time, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction, turn on content and privacy restriction, tap location service, select allow changes. Solution number 3. Set while using the app on widget for maps. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap location service, tap on maps, select while using the maps for widgets. Solution number 4. Turn off Bluetooth. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Solution number 5. Turn off precise location. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap location service, tap maps, turn off precise location. Thanks for watching this video.